Akala ko tuwa. Okay, good.
So hey guys, ngayong araw na ito, tumigil muna kami sa Perfumes sa Alwada Mall para tingnan ang mga body mist nila. Ang dami nilang magagandang perfume dito at mga body mist at abot kayang presyo pa, kaya perfect gamitin araw-araw. After Perfume, we went to Homecentre to check out their wide selection of household items and scented oils. They have so many nice options, mula sa mga eleganteng dekorasyon, cozy na gamit sa bahay, hanggang sa iba't ibang fragrance na magbibigay ng presko at relaxing na amoy sa bahay. This is actually our go-to shop kapag nauubusan na kami ng mga scented oils kasi magaganda ang quality at marami pang pagpipilian. After shopping, we headed to the Tuk, or the Taste of Korean Premium restaurant, for our lunch.
Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships, till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. That's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between. I didn't think I'd ever get this lonely. All these holes in my chest from the war inside.
ka mo, be.
Dapat may dito.
When there's too much to do, I guess I sit and smoke away the stress. I'm late for every single shift. Is it too late to call it quits? Well, I could, but I can't, 'cause I don't have cash to lose. I spend all day inside my head. I'm like a needle pulling thread. I reap and sow again. I'll send my therapist a text. Well, I could, but I can't, 'cause I don't have time to lose. Well, lately I've been sleeping in beds I made, losing all the fucks I gave. I lived a life of wasted nights. I'm the reason times have changed. It's the chance I never take. I lived a life of wasted nights. Better myself and bet I'm right. Can you listen to me here for a second? I'm about to teach a couple good lessons. I invested in a life of second guessing, always stressing, never counting up my blessings. Boy, I never got the message, 'cause 24 hours not enough, 365 not enough. Don't got time to give a fuck about the food we're serving. Ashtrays, cafes, minimum wages, bad days. But don't let yourself get wrapped up inside the paper chase. Can't you see that your life is pretty precious? Why we wasting all this time cleaning messes? Let's forget it, don't sweat it. I don't care about your credit, boy, I'm trying to tell you how to live life, not regret it. 24 grams, not enough, 100 grand, not enough. Don't got rent to pay this month, so I'll get evicted. Side gigs, bad tips, spitting in the short ribs. Well, lately I've been sleeping in beds I made, losing all the fucks I gave. I lived a life of wasted nights. I'm the reason.
Congratulations!
So today we're having our first breakfast here in IKEA Abu Dhabi together with our good friends, the family of Shalaya and CJ. Pagpasok mo pa lang, sasalubong sa iyo ang magandang design ng IKEA na talaga namang magbibigay ng maaliwalas at homey na feeling. First time din namin tikman ang breakfast nila at masasabi ko ang ganda ng lugar at tahimik pa. Marami silang pagpipilian na pagkain mula sa mga classic breakfast plates hanggang sa mga pastry at kape, at sobrang affordable pa. mag-enjoy ng masarap na pagkain at makasama ang pamilya at mga kaibigan. bago mag-ikot-ikot sa IKEA. Later that evening, pumunta kami sa Mariah Mall dahil naimbitahan kami ng mga katrabaho ni Mary Rose para mag-bowling. It was actually our first time checking out this bowling area and we were really impressed. The place is spacious, clean, and has a lively atmosphere. Perfect for hanging out after work or on weekends.
I can only be me. Isn't that what you always tell me? Never try to be anyone else. That's easier said than done. 'Cause lately I've been feeling like I don't really know myself. I lean left, then I fade right. I do my best to stay straight, straight on the line. I fall off all the time, but I will never give in. I will always try to live it right, with my head and my heart aligned. I just wanna be free, free in every sense of the meaning. Free to go my own way. That's easier said than done. Lately I've been feeling like that route changes every day. So I lean left, then I fade right. I do my best to stay straight, straight on the line. I fall off all the time, but I will never give in. I will always try to live it right, with my head and my heart aligned.
Aside from bowling, ang dami pang ibang laro na pwedeng subukan like arcade games, billiards, ping-pong tables, and even some claw machines kung saan pwede kang manalo ng mga cute na prizes. It's such a great spot for friends and families na gusto mag-bonding, magtawanan at mag-enjoy sa gabi. Kung napadaan kayo sa Mariah Mall, highly recommended talaga ang place na ito.
Pasok yung white.
I do my best to stay straight, straight on the line. I fall off all the time, but I will never give in. I will always try to live it right, my head and my heart, I'll live it right.
tonight, we decided to spend our evening at Heritage Park, Abu Dhabi because from September to October, the weather becomes cooler and more comfortable, perfect for outdoor fun. Heritage Park is such a beautiful and relaxing place, especially at night. It has a wide green spaces, walking and jogging paths, beautiful fountains, and even play area for kids where they can run and have fun safely. Mayroon din silang mga picnic spots, mga upuang may lilim at maluwag na espasyo para maglaro o magpahinga kasama ang pamilya at mga kaibigan. We brought some food and grilled barbecue, played with kids, and just enjoyed the evening breeze. It was such a fun and chill night.
Okay, queen of diamond. Oh, find it. Yeah, find it. Queen, diamond.
If you're looking for a peaceful and family-friendly spot in the city to unwind, eat, and spend quality time together, Heritage Park Abu Dhabi is definitely a great place to visit.